case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Kansas Supreme Court has reversed an earlier decision involving a legal malpractice case that has the potential to reshape criminal defense practices across the state. The case, Mashaney v. Board of Indigents Defense Services, contested the validity of the long-standing actual innocence rule, a regulation requiring defendants to first prove innocence before suing their own attorney for malpractice. This lawsuit began when a convicted criminal, Mashaney, accused his defense lawyer of insufficient representation. Mashaney was initially charged with criminal sodomy and indecent liberties with a child. It was after the guilty verdict in a second trial that Mashaney filed a motion to overturn the decision, claiming that his counsel had inadequately represented him. This plea, however, was rejected, and Mashaney was subsequently sentenced to imprisonment. But as part of Mashaney's appeal, a majority of justices found this long-held rule unnecessary for the defendant to file a claim. Instead, they stressed that the onus is on the defense counsel to offer competent representation, regardless of a client's guilt or innocence. Any violation of this personalized duty, they argued, should be open to claims for damages. The case turned in Mashaney's favor when he achieved the necessary threshold for exoneration. His subsequent Alford plea, which typically stymies further legal proceedings, astonishingly did not halt his lawsuit. The court overturned the first and second dismissals of Mashaney's cases, heralding a defining moment in Kansas legal history. In affirming the dismissal of the Board of Indigents Defense Services from the legal malpractice action, the Kansas Supreme Court rejected the actual innocence rule. Its impact is expected to set a more lenient standard for proving malpractice in the state, as Mashaney's case returns to a lower court for further consideration.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.